Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a new art journal page in my envelope art journal. I will link you up to the tutorial how I did this journal in the info box on the top right corner. I cut some tags with the STAMPloration tag dies from some leftover papers, and I arranged them to my page. My page has already some leftover paint on it. I'm just playing intuitively today with different acrylic paints. I stamped one of the Rubber Dance Crazy Flowers to watercolor paper and I color it in with the Arteza real brush pens. By the way, I already mentioned it in other videos, but Rubber Dance has a brand new Facebook group, and if you have Rubber Dance stamps you can play in their monthly challenge and win some prizes. And you can share your work with Rubber Dance stamps in this group. You also will be inspired with a lot of creations from the design team, and there are also regularly giveaways where you can win some stamps. It's called the Rubber Dance Stamping Lounge and I will link you up in the description box. For more interest on the background, I add some stamping with some of the collage elements from Rubber Dance. I'm stamping a sentiment from the Rubber Dance Affirmations set. I cut the words apart and glue them down. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Then please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. I hope we see us next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!